Okay, it is the 31st of October, 2024, Halloween, although we're not dressed up. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
This is Lauren Salter Gabriel Allen, British Columbia, Canada. Past week, I did a 10K at University of British Columbia, and that's, I would call that block. So I can't recall doing much else, but I might have done. I think all the things I did were before the last meeting. So that's it. Yeah. The past week, coming week, I just want to get the container stuff finished my goal is still. I don't think it'll take more than a few hours to get a container loaded on the Pi with the SD card that came with my Pi 4, and maybe buy a new one. And so, and as I said, the block was just a scheduled activity, and so it's back to you.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. I thought that I had nothing for this past week. Last week I was in Vegas, just got back on Sunday, and things have been a little hectic since then. But I had last week ordered a new 14-pin connector for the controller on my electric wheelbarrow, and I just went and picked that up today, so that actually counts as some progress. And next week I am hoping to continue on with the Docker stuff. I can't really, it's been long enough, I can't remember really where I left off. So I think I'm gonna just start off trying to get Docker running on the Raspberry Pi. And then I think there's a ROS 1 Docker that I can load in there to basically see if it works the way that the tutorial says. And I would like to get a little bit of progress on my Polaris. I've been stuck at the throttle for quite a while. And I guess that's about it. We already talked about the blocks. So back to you.
For me, so I'll do a 3 for me, 10 for the team still. Let's make it a 9 for the team. And process improvement, I probably should be sending some emails to the people who have shown up at our meetings. Just an update. I'll do it as an update or news. And I probably am going to follow up with our founder. I sent some things to him that haven't gotten anything back, so I'll make a little more effort to get those in. And it's not exactly a process improvement, but it's just something along the line. Back to you.
Okay, I estimated that I could get 1 point done for last week. I think I'm only going to count half of a point for ordering and picking up the part. So I'll give myself a 5 out of 10. 9 for the team. We're still making progress, and I guess that pretty much wraps it up. I don't have a process improvement. I really think we need Docker running in order to get more people involved, and we don't seem to be making progress on that. But hopefully we can do that this week. I will mention one thing about Joe. I saw a video last week, I think, where he crashed one of his race cars. He wasn't very happy about it, but it was like a 45-second video. So it sounds like he bought 4 Tesla Model 3 Performance, and he did some mods to them. So he's got them to the point where they'll be competitive racing in Japan. I saw a posting from him that he was looking for a couple more drivers to fill out the racing team. So that was exciting. Anyway, I guess I don't have anything else for crosstalk. Are do you?
Yeah, yeah, and the thing I want to talk a little more.
Okay, stop.